decided to buy a whole turkey instead of only a turkey crown because it will give you a lot more meat to have when you are done. I will be cooking it in the air fryer as well as the convection oven. So the first thing is first, I need to open the turkey, the whole turkey. It is tied, so I have to cut the elasticated band. And I am taking out the turkey neck. But where are the giblets? It is located right under the turkey breast meat in this little pouch, which I will save for the gravy later on. So now I am going to cut the turkey. I'm cutting the turkey thighs, separating it from the turkey breast. I'm also using a scissor to help me. It's taking quite some time to cut the turkey breast from the dark meat. Does seem to be coming loose, but there is a few more bits to cut before the turkey breast. So now the dark meat, which consists of the turkey thighs and drumsticks. Wow. So I'm putting it onto this baking tray to put into the convection oven, and you can see the turkey breast, which is the crown, as well as the wings. I generously season it with salt. I generously season it with pepper as well as garlic granules now. I also add Italian style blend. And I also apply it to the dark meat as well. Now I am going to apply the streaky bacon onto the turkey breast so that it will not dry out. There is quite a few bacon pieces, so I will be taking my time with this to ensure that each bacon slice is separate. This is taking a little while. Okay, the bacon is all on the turkey breast now, and now I'm going to try to put it into the air fryer. Let's see if it fits. It looks like it might fit, although some bacon bits are sticking out. Let's try to maneuver it, shall we? In the end, I thought that the wings wasn't a good fit, so I had to cut it out, and I've put it onto the other tray with the dark meat. So now the turkey crown will fit properly into the air fryer. So now let's plug the air fryer in, turn it on. Now let's put the container into the air fryer, and now let's turn it on. I'm adjusting the temperature to 190 degrees, not on the air fryer, The max we could do is about 1 hour on the air fryer. So that's where we are headed right now. So now I am chopping up the wings from the turkey crown. It is taking a little while to chop, and I have to use these scissors because my cleaver is a little blunt, so it's a little dangerous. So I think it's more prudent to do it this way. So now the dark meat is on the roasting tray. I'm going to flip it over and cook it on the underbelly first before cooking it onto the skin side. And I need to season it with the garlic powder, garlic granules. I'm also going to add some sage. I'm ripping it up and adding it onto the underbelly or the inside of the turkey. And it's all properly on the turkey. I'm going to put it in for 1 hour. Now let's start the button. Now I think it's a good chance to check the heat of the turkey crown. This is the meat thermometer. I have to stick it into the turkey breast, and the temperature should read 75 degrees Celsius, which is the right amount for when you consume turkey breast or turkey thigh. So far it's reached 71 degrees, and let's see if it goes any higher. I'm also stopping the turkey thigh and the dark meat. I'm taking it out of the oven and I'm doing the same thing. Turning it on and putting it into various locations to see that it is being cooked properly. Temperature comes up to 71 right now, 77. So it is proper, and I'm putting it to the side and covering it up. The turkey crown is also cooked as well. I'm covering it in foil so that the juices will distribute properly amongst the turkey meat. As for the turkey giblets, I am putting it into the turkey stock from the air fryer as well as from the oven. I'm opening these offal and also putting it in along with the turkey neck. This adds a lot of flavor to the gravy, and it works wonders on the turkey gravy. Now I just need to bring it to the boil. It looks like it is boiling quite nicely, but now I need to open this Heinz turkey gravy. Let's see how it goes. I need to pour it all in and bring it up to a boil. So this is the gravy that I made. So I'm putting it onto one side of my plate. The Christmas dinner is on the plate and it is dripping with flavor, and It's very hot. This is the store-bought gravy, and it's also very hot. And I'm also pouring it into the dish. They're sitting side by side. Which one do I prefer? Store-bought or my own? My own, obviously. We really know how to make a splash on It's Paul and Marcus on YouTube, so please subscribe. I have come up with a delicious recipe using this turkey leftover. So I have some spring onions and garlic and ginger, red pepper and pak choi, these fine cut noodles, Korean barbecue sauce, toasted sesame oil. So I am pouring the boiling water into the fine cut noodles, and I am having the wok on, pouring some oil in. The first thing to go in is the garlic and ginger. Next to go in is the red pepper as well as the pak choi. Give it a nice toss around. I am stirring the ribbon noodles, the fine cut noodles, and now let's add in the turkey that I finally cut up. Now let's stir this around to get it all warmed. Next thing to go in is the Korean barbecue sauce. It is quite thick and it's quite savory and it's quite delicious. It's very, very drippy. Next thing to go in is the spring onions. I'm going to have to rinse this bottle off. This is the remnants of the rinse. Pour that in. Bring everything to a boil. Now I'm pouring out the knife cut ribbon noodles, draining it all of its water, and now I'm adding it to the wok and the stir fry in the wok. Bring that to a nice mixture and mix it all about. Now it's time to plate. I'm placing the knife cut noodles with the pak choi, the red peppers, as well as the turkey. Wow, this is my plate ready to eat now. So I'm taking a nice bite of the noodles. It's very, very tasty, very hot, and I'm giving it the thumbs up. This is the end product.